Hi children, let's learn today to use she in the place of the name of a girl or a lady or a woman. She. So we are going to learn to read the sentence with she. Let's look at the pictures and see the action done by them. And we learn the action, we learn to read the sentence, and it all sentence will have she, the use of she. Shall we? Shall we look at our first picture? Here we are. Look, the cute little girl. Yes, the cute little girl. She dressed up so nicely. What is she doing? She looks so happy. What is she doing? Dancing. She's so happy dancing. We use she instead of this girl's name. So what are we doing today? Use of she, the sentence. Look, she is dancing. Read the sentence for me. She is dancing. When do you dance? You dance for a function on the stage. You dance on your birthday. You dance when you are happy. So probably this little girl is very happy. So she is dancing. Who do you dance? You dance for grandma, dance for mommy, you dance for daddy. Yes? So happy children, happy little girls dance. What is she doing? She is dancing. Shall we look at another picture? Good. We are learning the use of she and learn to read the sentence too. Look at this picture. Big, big smile on her face. And what is she doing? She is skating. What is she doing? She is skating. It's a type of shoes that just goes smoothly on the floor. And she's very happy. She's got the hand and leg up on one leg. What is she doing? She is skating. Then why is she smiling? Because she loves skating. She's very happy. Read. She is skating. You skate on a smooth road, smooth flow. Yes? Good. What is she doing? She is skating. Shall we look at another picture? Look what you have here. This little girl sitting down on the floor with hands on her eyes. Why? And a big mouth. She's crying loud. Why? What is she doing? She is crying. Probably she fell down or she's hungry. She lost a toy or a puppy. Okay, look. What is she doing? Poor little girl. She is crying aloud. When do you cry? When you fall down, when you lose something, when your puppy runs away, you cry. She is crying. Touch and read. She is crying. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look, what is the little girl doing? Folded hands, eyes closed, head bent. Praying. This little girl is kneeling down and she's asking God's blessing. Let's read the sentence. We are doing what? Usage of she instead of the girl's name. Let us read. She is praying. What is she doing? She is praying. Do you pray? You pray to God. When do you pray? You pray anytime when you want help from God. What is she doing? She is praying. Good. Let's get on to another new picture. Look at this happy little child. What is she doing? Walking. She probably just learned to walk and she's so happy. Walking all by herself. What is she doing? She is walking. When your little sister learn to walk in the house, you watch her very carefully, don't you? And everybody is there ready to hold her if she falls. This little girl is very happy because she can walk. She is walking. Other, she is walking for the first time maybe. She is happy learning to walk. She is walking. What is she doing? She is walking. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what you see here. It's on a hot day and she's got some hot milk or cold milk mama gives. When do you drink milk? Morning and night. Yes, look at the milk bottle and she wants to be strong. What is she doing? She is drinking. What is she drinking? She is drinking some milk. She is drinking. We are learning the use of she instead of her name. She is drinking. Do you drink milk? Yes. Good. Drinking milk is good habit. It will make you strong. She is drinking. Let's look at another picture. See what you have here. When do you take a mic and talk? On the stage, when you have a competition. Yes, here's the little girl standing on the stage. What is she doing? She is singing. There's a singing competition and she is singing. We use she instead of her name. What is she doing? She is singing. When do you sing? When you are happy, you sing for a competition, you sing in the temple or in the church. She is singing. You like to sing too? Yes? Shall we look at another picture? What is she doing? She's got the painting brush and a palette with her and she's going to paint. She's very happy going to paint a pretty picture. What is she doing? She is painting. She is painting. All her paint are ready, a brush is ready, and there she's going to make a beautiful picture. She is painting. What do you paint? You paint a beautiful picture, you paint in your book, you paint in your big chart paper. And how do you feel? Happy. This girl too, she's very happy. Why? Because she is painting. Are you happy when you paint? Yes. Shall we look at another picture? Look. What is the little girl doing here? She's busy doing her homework. What is she doing? She is writing. She's writing. What is she writing? Writing her homework. Instead of the girl's name, we are using she. Let's read the sentence. She is writing. She's writing her homework. Very good girl. Do you write? Yes, you also must write your homework on your own. She is writing. Let's look at another picture. Look, what is she doing? Probably reading a storybook and she's got a big smile on her face. Why? Because she read something very interesting. What's she doing now? She is smiling. She read something very interesting or very funny. So what is she doing? She is smiling. Instead of her name, we are learning to use she in the place of the girl's name. What's she doing? She is smiling. When do you smile? When you get a gift, a new storybook, when mommy gives you some cookies. Yes? Yes. And when you get a nice mark and big, so many stars the teacher gives you, you smile. Probably she too got that. What's she doing? She is smiling. And you must keep smiling. Let's look at another picture. Look. What is she doing? She's very busy typing. This lady probably works in an office and instead of her name, we use she. What is she doing? What is the lady doing? She is typing. She is typing. She's a typist at the office. Yeah, does mommy go to office? Yes, your mommy too. She goes to the office and she also types. What is this lady doing? She is typing. She's typing. Good. Let's look at another picture. What are we learning today? Use of she instead of the lady's name or girl's name. Let's look. What is she doing here? Probably she's cooking. Yes. Your mama, what does she do? She make delicious things for you. Is your mama a cook? Yes. A wonderful cook. What is she doing? She is cooking. She's cooking. What is she cooking? A delicious meal. Or she's cooking, making nice cookies for tea for you. What is she doing? She is cooking. Your mama is cooking. Instead of mama's name, we use she. She is cooking a delicious meal, or she is cooking lovely cookies. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. Look at her hair all gone and her hands are out. What is she probably doing? She's gone to jog. She's jogging to keep fit. Yes, fit and healthy. So this little girl, instead of her name, we use she. We are learning the use of she and learning to read the sentence too. What is she doing? She is jogging. Does your daddy go jogging? Your brother goes jogging to keep fit and healthy. You too must jog. What is this little girl doing? She is jogging. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look what we have here. Who is this? A tiny little baby girl. What is she doing? She is crawling. The baby is too small. She has not learned to walk yet. So what is she doing? This little baby girl, she is crawling. When do you crawl? When your toy or pencil or something goes under the table or a cot, you crawl under the cot and pick up the little precious thing there. Here, what is she doing? She is crawling. She is crawling. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? What is this little girl doing? She is running. Why is she running? Probably to keep fit. Or she is running to a class. Good. Instead of her name, we use she. Let us read the sentence. She is running. Where is she running? In the playground, in the lawn, on the street. Yes? What is she doing? She is running. Look at one leg is up. She is running. Do you run? Yes, good. She is running. Shall we look at a new picture now?